Want to skip the exchanges and buy Bitcoin directly from other people? Today, we'll guide you through buying Bitcoin P2P on Binance, step by step, so you can get started in the crypto world first. If you don't already, download the Binance app and create an account. The link is in the description. Next, complete the verification process. This usually involves providing personal information, like your name, address, and a photo of your ID. This is crucial for security. Now, navigate to the P2P Trading section. In the app, look for the P2P Trading option, usually found in the Trade or More section. Select your desired currency and payment method. Using the filter function, this will help you find sellers that match your preferences. Browse the available offers and pay attention to the seller's price, limits, and completion rate. A higher completion rate indicates a more reliable seller. Once you find a suitable seller, click the Buy button. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase or the amount of your local currency you want to spend, and confirm your order. Now, carefully follow the instructions to make the payment to the seller's provided bank account. Remember to only use the payment method specified by Binance. After completing the payment, click the Transferred Notify Seller button. This alerts the seller to confirm your payment. Wait for the seller to confirm the payment. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin will be released from escrow and deposited into your Binance wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully bought Bitcoin P2P on Binance. Remember, P2P trading comes with risks, so always trade with verified users and follow Binance's safety guidelines. Happy trading!